Oh my god, the meat is so tender, it melts into your mouth. Okay guys, so I have this instant pot from Walmart. I was about to buy this from Amazon last night, but they said that it would get here Saturday and I do not want to wait Saturday. So I went to Walmart and picked up one, which is, I believe I got the 6 quarts. The 3 quarts is too tiny and then the 8 quarts is too big. So let's open this up. This thing is a little bit heavy. This doesn't look like 6 quarts, it looks like 8 quarts. It's pretty big. So this is what it looks like on the front. Okay. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, that's the cover. It comes with a cup. Comes with one and the insert. I like that, it's heavy, it's stainless. Ooh, see that, your instant pot. This is what it looks like the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the pot so I can put all the meat. Before we put everything inside, according to the cooking instruction, we will have to put the meat first. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I have me a distilled water. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of spices, which is the McCormick Grill Mates spice. So we're gonna add all of these vegetables. What I have here is I have onions, Brussels sprouts, baby portobello mushroom, carrots, and beans. But we must cook the meat first. Now we can go ahead and that's going, that side is venting, doing that side is releasing the sealing, and it's bent on the other side. So let's turn this to seal. Now, so when you turn on the instant pot, when you are ready to searing, if you are going to stew any meat, you click the stew. And then you click plus or minus until you see on. You click the plus button until you see the desired minutes you want to set it up. Like the beef stew, I set it up for 45 minutes. So once it is set up, a few seconds later, this will turn on. And then you are done, you know, just let it go. And then the 45 minutes will count down all the way to 0. When it comes to 0, it will show low, which is like warm. So then you can release right here the pressure. This is releasing the pressure. If you put that way, the other way doesn't matter. This is in the middle is sealing it. Okay. We are going to try. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some vegetable first. I have here, that is the Brussels sprout. I love Brussels sprouts. Oh my god, the meat is so tender. Look how they just pull apart. That's amazing. Did you see that? There it is. That's gonna be my tiny dinner. All right. Oh my god. The meat is so tender, it melts into your mouth. So according to the book instruction for meat or stew, for 1 pound, you must set the instant pot for 45 minutes. And then you put the meat first with 2 cups of water and your spices of your choice. Once it is done, add vegetables, and it says there 10 minutes. But I think if you like your vegetable very soggy like this and very overcooked, you can do so for 10 minutes. I think I would do next time maybe only 5 minutes, because I like my vegetables half cooked, not overcooked, but still very good. So delicious. And I would recommend this instant pot. I got this from Walmart tonight, 69 bucks. You can get it on Amazon.com, and there's also $69. They even have a red color and black color, and I would recommend this instant pot if you want to cook and just forget about it while it's cooking. You are watching TV, by about 45 minutes your dinner is done and you're ready to eat. And this is what I have now. So delicious. All right, if you need the link, guys, I'm putting the link down below in my video description. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Aurora's vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.